Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Z's World. On the channel today, I'm going to be putting this Energy front bumper on the Jeep SCX10. I got this truck just like as you see it, except for obviously some wheels and some modification. I put a Savox servo in it, SA 1283 SG. It's got some good torque and good, not speed as much as torque. I put some Desert Lizard internal spring shocks on it, front and rear. I used the longer of the springs and took out the droop setup. A lot of times you can have a droop spring on the bottom, even though these are reversed for weight. I put them upside down this way the weight could stay low, but technically there would be a droop spring on the top and then a medium-sized spring in the middle. So I didn't want to do that. So what I did was I put longer spring in. Probably, I believe it is lightest of the springs or the easiest giving. And I put like a 30 weight or 35 weight fluid in it. They have a nice spring back, you know, they're very smooth. I put an RC four-wheel drive motor in it. It's running on an 11 tooth pinion. I put some brass, the brass steering links on here to give it a little bit of weight up front. So the only thing that left that I wanted to do to it was the bumper, and just to have a little bit of a look in the front, and then in the back, I'll worry about that later. I don't like to run bumpers on the back most of the time. So yeah, that's pretty much all I've done to it so far. I didn't change the transmission or anything like that. Like the way it looks with the Patagonia tires on it. That's one of the upgrades I did do. All the gearing is the same. You know, it came with these Racing hubs on it, or C-hubs on it, but they're not really C-hubs, they're just lockouts. And it has Racing front C-hubs. Nothing I wanted to change, you know, this is just a regular low-budget Corolla that I have. The TRX4 has a lot more stuff done to it. Start with the assembly and see what we got. So it just finished it up. It looks pretty good. I didn't put the lights in because they just didn't fit right. And the lights that they came with didn't reach to the tail lights, so it would just be doubling up on the headlights. There'd be two in the bumper, and then you'd have to remount two holes here and put some lights there. Overall, I think the truck looks good with the bumper on it, and now hopefully the next step will be to get it out there and start crawling. Hopefully this weekend, be able to get out there and use the SCX10 and use my buddy over there, the TRX4. All right, until next time, stay tuned. Please like and subscribe.